Hey guys, it's Amber and today is my dog's birthday. So I just set her down on the table and I'm getting ready to give her her stuff. First I gave her a cake and I got her cake from Etsy. It was around $30 and she loved it. And this is her reaction. And I really like the cake and I recommend it, and I'll put the link below. And all her toys are from Shein. They were pretty cheap and that's really good, and she liked all of them. And this cake I really recommend, and I got these candles from Shein also to put on her cake. And yeah, this is her reaction. And after I put the candle in the cake, I lit it and she loved it. And then after I lit it, I gave her her toys.
The first present for my sweetheart is a little Coraline toy squid. Annoy her with it. Oh yeah, I'm definitely annoying her with this. I got her a Hello Kitty plushie and she likes it already. Aww. Yeah. Her a little giraffe, just a cute generic little toy. Then I got her a little duck. I love you. She is so like snappy. Her a little bunny. Next I got her an octopus, and I feel like she's gonna like this. It makes annoying noises. I got this unicorn. She already has one like this, but I don't really know where it is, so.
These are all the toys and the candy, a few toys. I think she loves all of them and I'm glad. We didn't even say happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday, Apple. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.